so welcome to my I keep saying squishies. My slime scammer YouTube channel. So today we're gonna be looking on our tablet to see who sent me the slime list. Whatever. Oh, okay. She ordered 2 slimes. So that'll be, okay, I'm going to type in, that'll be $200. Because each slime is 100. So yeah. She asked for my famous 2 slimes. She asked for my slime with red beads. I'm not giving her that. And since I'm a scammer, I won't. Mom. What? So yeah. I'm gonna give her this slime I have. Is a very old slime. Doesn't even stretch. The only way he'll stretch is if you do this. It'll go down. Stretch. Not too stretchy. So my family, they make too much noise. So it has red stuff, so she'll think it's probably beads. But I'm eating my soup. Yeah, I'm gonna eat soup. Later. There's cake. Ooh, yum. Take it out, shut up. So yeah, let's put it in the bag. I'm not gonna give her a fancy box, so yeah. Next she ordered a butter slime. I have what? No, it was happy because I went. Yeah, I have a turtle right there. So I'm gonna give her this butter slime. It's very rough. I know. It's old. Well, it's not old. It's brand new. But the clay made it like rough. So yeah. I'm gonna eat my soup that Abuela bought me. And those were the 2 slimes. So let's send it. Let's send it. Bye. Boom. Hey guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, that's good. So I gotta, I don't want it zoomed. So I got a slime package today, and I'm so happy to get it. My first. Okay. So I ordered this slime with red beads. I hope it is what I wanted. I'm gonna let you guys see it first, and then I'll look at it. I don't know if you can see that. Let's do this. Let's get the container there. So yeah, now it's time to see it. Oh look, it's what I wanted. I think. But let me do slime roasting to see if there's something bad. So I wanted this slime with red beads. It looks slime with red stuff. So I guess those are the beads. Let me squish it to make sure. No, that's not bead. It breaks. What is that? So I think this is clay. I asked for slime with red beads.
Yeah, I knew that.
That's my sister. So, yeah. Get out. So, yeah.
Hi.
I asked for slime. Look, and... Oh my God. Okay. It feels cool, though. It feels like a stress ball. Whatever. Probably they just didn't have no slime with red beads. Unless she, because it was in her list. Because she's, unless someone bought it from her. Whatever.
You want me to show
It's still.
you my
Stop.
house?
Stop.
I will be showing you.
No, I don't want to. So let's go on to the next line. This wasn't that bad because it had red and white. So next is my butter slime. I hope it's what
butter slime. She loves butter slime, and she already made that.
I made a butter slime before. That's one. So butter slime. I don't know. It feels rough. This is butter slime. I don't know what's bad about it.
Hey!
Okay, now I can tell what's bad.
You want to see my brain? And you got a Nini. She got some Nini on.
So I'm not gonna play with that no more. So guys, I had the worst slime package. Bye!